That's tough. Let's just get this over with. I don't even want to do this recap, but gotta journal every trade, gotta record every trade. So let's just get into it. No time wasted. There was the news, 7:30 news. All right, BIOS is bearish. Bearish. I would like to see market sweep an hourly high and tap into the 1 hour fair value gap and look for a move lower. We have a clear drawn liquidity of previous day low, in my opinion. Take profit was based on this low we made during market open, because we did take out that previous day low when market open, and then we made a new hourly low. But let's get into the trade. Like I said, as I read, bias is bearish. We're just overall in a bearish structure, bearish order flow on the 1 hour. 4 hour though, we are as well. I mean, we're respecting this big gap, and then when that 9 a.m. candle closed, we made this 4 hour gap. That 4 hour gap we retraced into, and then we didn't do anything off of it. So there's that. But today we could have had a potential long, but I was bearish, so I saw it, but I wasn't really like, I thought about taking it, but also, I'm gonna get into the trade first. So my trade was based on, what I wanted to see. Liquidity sweep, this hourly high getting swept right here, and then we came in, retraced into the hourly fair value gap. Exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a reaction off of it. Boom. I know it, dude. Look at this price action, bro. Like, I can't even see what's the drawings I have, but yeah, I marked out this 5-minute fair value gap that got invalidated. Okay, cool. After that, I'm looking for a 5-minute continuation confluence. 5-minute equilibrium from this high, this low. We can scale down to the 1 minute. And I'm just looking for structure to get broken on that retrace up, and then to look for a confirmation down. Okay, clean. We're getting equilibrium getting filled right here. Boom. We don't get that invalidation yet, so I was patient. I waited, and then boom. Perfect displacing candle to break 1 minute structure and invalidate this gap. But what do you know? Just pure manipulation. We just lose that whole candle that next couple seconds. It's just funny. That's why I high key wait a couple seconds to see what that next candle opens up as, because like exactly like this. But either way, it didn't work out. Let's say we waited and then saw this, didn't enter, and let's say we entered off this breaker structure right here. Still would have been like, still wouldn't have worked out. I mean, just look at this price action, bro. It's just like, I mean, I wrote down my frustrations in my journal today, and maybe I'll just go into it. But I was like, I don't know. I don't want to complain or blame anything other than myself, but this market has been so hard to trade. The problem is that it presents so many setups that follow my edge, and I'm going to enter it. And also, I have to enter it, which, what I mean by that is like, I can't be scared to enter just because like price action hasn't been the best. Like, if I see like a clear direction where market most likely would want to go to, and it's a high probable setup aligned with the high time frame, everything I want to see, then I gotta take it. I can't pick and choose what trades I want to take. Like, I can't have any fear. I can't be scared to insert a trade. So that's what I meant by that. It has been just pure manipulation. I don't even know, bro. This sucks. I'm so annoyed, honestly. I'm just being honest in here. I can easily say like, I'm human, man. I have emotions, but I just can't act on those emotions. So I'm gonna like write down exactly how I'm feeling, and this is how I was feeling after the trade. I'm so annoyed, honestly. And then, yeah, the start of this year has been super hard to deal with. I mean, I don't know if anyone else has been going through a hard time just I mean, I've been executing my edge, taking high probable setups. It just right now it's just not the best time. I don't know. I I take the responsibility. I accept the risk, but I'm just saying it's just been hard. I'm not blaming the market. I'm not saying anything other than you know the way I see it. It's just been hard for me. That's all I can say. How's it been for me? And what do I feel like? So, I don't know. It's just been tough. I mean, just look at this. Oh, man. But, I mean, that was the trade. Stop loss was based on this high. I mean, honestly, I've been having my stop losses pretty close to my entry to get a nice RR. I mean, it's not a horrible stop loss, but the most ideal stop loss, not waiting or not the point where the trade is not invalidated would be all the way up here. But like, I mean, just look at the RR, man. It's just like, I mean, if you're truly bearish and we have a direction we want to go, there's really no reason for price to do this. I mean, anything can happen, and prices went up to that point and has never went past that invalidation point. But like, I wouldn't even want to be a part of this. And it might sound crazy to say, because like, what if it plays out? But like, I don't know. You don't want to be a part of this price action. I mean, that was the recap, but what I wanted to get into is the reason why I think this trade didn't work out. And I'm going to try to do this every time I lose and win. Just find out why do I think it worked out or it didn't. Or it didn't work out or it did. So obviously I lost the trade today, so why didn't it work out? Well, I feel as if because we already hit this draw on liquidity. This is my main draw on liquidity coming to the day. And then we immediately took that out, market open. And so I have one of my rules, or one of my learning things I wrote down in my notebook. It said if one or two of my draws on liquidity has been hit, I should call it a day. So I might just need to call it a day if one of my draws on liquidity gets hit, because the objective could be done for the day. But also the reason why I am hesitant to do that is because, I mean, I've been a part of trades where we've taken out the draw on liquidity and continue that trend. And I've been able to capitalize on it. So, I don't know. Maybe it's a learning experience. That's the only reason I can think of why I think I lost this trade. Because, I mean, like, we swept liquidity on NQ. We filled this 4-hour gap we made right here. What price is this? 920. So yeah, like 9 a.m. candle. So yeah, we came in with this leg up, tapped it, and then we're seeing reactions. Like, why wouldn't I enter that? And also on the daily time frame, what are we in? We're in this daily fair value gap. Like, I thought it was just perfect. I mean, obviously it could end up playing out, and then we can just have, like, the day can play out the way I saw it and wanted to, but we're just too early, I guess. Just unfortunate, man. It's just really unfortunate. Pure manipulation, enter, and then boom, automatically legs up. Gonna wrap this up. I lost 580 today because that was what I was coming into the day risking right here, 580, because my drawdown today was like at 17, we'll just say 50. I can't remember the exact. And I was just dividing it by 30. So there it is. So I have 2 more trades left until, if this account gets blown. So it's just unfortunate. We're one trade away from being taking a payout. I'm not having that in my mind. I'm not like, forcing trades with that in the back of my mind. I'm just, I'm taking these good trades and it's just not playing out. really break even on the week or the month. It's unfortunate because how good we were looking just last week up until this Friday. So it just sucks, man, but gotta damn, look at that. Bro, are you kidding me? Dude. Let's say we had our stops, over here. How long would this trade have lasted? 920. Bro, an hour and that's not that bad. I mean, it's definitely a long, really long trade that I would not like to wait that long, but I mean, thing about trading is you don't have to like literally be at the screen. You can view it on your phone. You just set limits. Either it works or it doesn't. You don't got to do any work. You enter the trade and then that's it. You just let the market do its thing. Damn, bro, it's really about to hit this draw. What are you gonna do, man? Shit sucks. But tomorrow's a big day, news-wise. 8:45. Gonna have to wait 2 minutes after that releases to enter on the alpha. But yeah, I guess that's it. Taking a trade every day this week so far. I mean, I wouldn't want to, but if market's gonna present me with setups, it's just unfortunate that a lot of them aren't playing out right now. But it is what it is. Got to move on to the next trade. 1% better every day, and yeah. God bless.